In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress website. Backups are your safety net. If an update breaks your theme, a plugin conflicts, or something gets deleted by mistake, a recent backup lets you restore your site quickly. In this walkthrough, we'll use a trusted tool called Updraft Plus, and we'll access it through the plugins area on WordPress.com. I'll point out a plan requirement you'll see along the way, so you know exactly what to expect. First, head to the plugins section on WordPress.com for the site you want to protect. Sign in, select your site if you manage more than one, and open the dashboard. In the left-hand menu, choose Plugins. This is where you discover, manage, and add functionality to your site. If you don't see plugins in your menu, your account may not have the right permissions, or your plan may not support third-party plugins. In that case, check your user role and plan details before proceeding, because you'll need access to this area to continue. Next, use the search bar in the plugins area and type Updraft Plus. Spell it as one word for the best results. You're looking for the backup plugin, known for its reliability and wide adoption. The listing typically highlights features like scheduled backups and the ability to store copies offsite. Taking a moment to read the short description and check your compatibility information is helpful, especially if your site runs a specific WordPress version or theme stack. When you see Updraft Plus in the results, select that plugin. On WordPress.com, installing third-party plugins requires an eligible plan, typically a higher-tier plan designed for advanced customization. You'll notice a prompt to upgrade if your current plan doesn't allow plugin installations. This message is expected, and it's there to prevent incomplete setups. If you are on a supported plan, just follow the on-screen guidance to proceed. If not, consider whether upgrading fits your needs and budget before moving forward. A few final tips as you wrap up. After adding the plugin, you'll find its settings in your dashboard, where you can create a backup on demand and set a schedule. Storing backups off your web server, such as in a secure cloud location, is a best practice. Also, keep notes on where your backups are stored and how to access them, so restoration is straightforward. That's it for getting to Updraft Plus through WordPress.com and understanding the plan requirement.